Hello, my name is Mark, and I'm the inventor of the Silent Sleeper Anti-Snore System. Just give me 2 minutes of your time and I'll explain to you why the Silent Sleeper is probably the last snoring device you're ever gonna need. So much like most of you, I didn't snore for years, and then one night my wife elbowed me and told me I was snoring. After that, getting kicked to the couch was a regular occurrence. So I tried everything, I tried the mouth guards, I tried the chin straps. Not only were they very uncomfortable, but they didn't work. So I thought there has to be a way to stop snoring without shoving things in my mouth or strapping things to my face. So that's when I did a lot of research, and I found out the reason people snore is because your airway closes when you're asleep, right? And the sound is air being pushed through your throat, and it creates vibrating, which then creates the snoring. So all I needed to do was figure out a comfortable, easy way to keep my jaw forward, which then would keep my airway open. So I thought, hey, why not use gravity? And that's what I did. Months of experimenting led me to this, the Silent Sleeper Anti-Snore System, right? So all you do is you take it and you slide it underneath your pillow inside the pillowcase. Just like that. You keep your own pillow and slide it in. There we go. It's in there and you go to sleep. That's it. Right? So what happens is there's now a slope on either side because of the shape. So when you lie on this side like this, then gravity holds your jaw forward and it keeps your airway open. And then you roll over to this side, it does the same thing. You can lie on one side all night, other side all night, or roll back and forth. It doesn't matter. Either way, it keeps your jaw forward and it stops you from snoring. Your partner will love it, and just let gravity do all the work. Because you get to keep your own pillow, the Silent Sleeper is very comfortable and barely noticeable, except your partner will notice a difference right away. You'll stop waking them up at night with your snoring, and they'll stop waking you up with elbows to the ribs. Not only is our Silent Sleeper very inexpensive, but we're so confident that you will be satisfied with the results. We have a money-back guarantee. So you've got nothing to lose except your snoring. So give it a try and take back your sleep. Now just click the Buy Now button on our website and let the silent nights begin. Thanks for watching and have a good sleep.